Hey everybody, I'm back with another video. This is week 2 of Blaster of the Week. It was requested to do a break of Bowman 2015 football, so I have that here. And then I also saw Series 2 on the shelves, just recently added. So I picked that up also because I wanted to do that also, so I'll do that in the next video. But still, let me know what you want me to see next week. This doesn't count for that. I just wanted to do this one in another video because it's got exclusive home run cards, Babe Ruth cards, $10 coupon book, you know, whatever. MLB 15 show offer. Not sure what that is. So, and I was hoping maybe I might get some bunt reward points or whatever they call them, coin points. Anyway, I'll set that to the side because I'm going to break this one. So this was week 2, Bowman 2015. Did I do one of these already? I feel like maybe I did one of these already, or maybe I just looked at it really closely and didn't end up buying it. Anyway, you get 8 packs in the box. Bowman Chrome autographs possible to pull. This is from Target, so I'm not sure if there's exclusive Target refractor color or what. But hopefully we get something nice. Thanks for the comments and stuff on my other videos. Hope you enjoy them. Alright, here we go. Tyler Lockett, Eddie Goldman, Danielle Hunter, Sammy Coates, purple refractor, it's paper. Matt Ryan, Charles, Jimmy Graham. That's totally photoshopped. My focus is off. It always is off. Always resets itself. There we go. Look at that. That's funny. Pack number 2. Terrence McGee, Josh Robinson, DeJohn Smith. A blue Andrus Peat paper numbered to $4.99, $2.89 out of $4.99. Blue. He is a offensive tackle. Sammy Coates, decent one now. Chris Ivory, Carlos Hyde, Mike Evans. Really not sure what I want to go after this year. Thinking maybe Devontae Parker. For Louisville, Nick O'Leary, Carlos Williams, Sean Mannion. Oh, nice. A purple Marcus Mariota. That's just a purple. It's not shiny or anything. So, was this one shiny? I feel like this one, yeah. So this one was like a purple refractor. Not numbered. And then this one was just a purple base paper non-refractor. So that's different. I'm going to just take it easy on football this year. Let's see how it goes. Leonard Williams, Ifo Ekpre Alumo, Rashad Green, Sinquez Golson, Cam Newton, purple refractor. See, it's a refractor. I don't know why the Mariota is not. It's a different color. You can see. Like a darker on the border. And then we had Marshall and Watkins. Dre Anderson, Alvin Dupree, Matt Jones, Justin Hardy, Anquan Bolden, 54 of 99, blue refractor. 54 out of 99. That's cool. Buddy White, Peyton Manning. If you're a Niners fan, let me know. Send me a little bit of PayPal. I'll send that over to you. Shane Carden, Titus Davis, Nick Montana, Eric Armstead. Blue paper, Golden Tate, or purple paper. Ryan Tannehill, Pierre Thomas. Benardrick McKinney, Melvin Gordon. Cool. Finn Koyak, Jay Ajayi, LaShawn McCoy, Deshaun Jackson, Pierre Garçon. So no inserts in that pack, no color. Maybe a variation, I don't know. I don't know if they have those in Bowman. Shane Ray, Cameron Artis Payne, David Johnson, Blake Sims, Torrey Smith, Cam Newton, and Mike Wallace. So none of the two last packs had any color in them. Let me check something online real fast. Bowman Football. Just to double check. Purple, paper parallels, rainbow foil, purple, so those are rainbow foil. So if there's anything about variations. Nope. So I guess we just got two that had no inserts or anything in them. So let's see here, rainbow foils. Purple rookie base rainbow is 1 in 24 packs, so that was a good pull. Base paper purple is 1 in 8, so that's 1 in a box. So getting Mariota, that was good. Veteran rainbow purple is also 1 in 24. So I got 2 of those. And then I got a blue, which is 1 in 156. And then I got a blue rookie. Yes. Which is 1 in 31. So did pretty well on the color. Maybe you're not even supposed to get that much. Here's all the color. 2 blue rainbows. Actually, this one is not a rainbow. This is just numbered to 499, which is 1 in 31 also, though. I don't think it's a rainbow. Well, it is kind of shiny, though. Kind of rainbowy, I guess it is. This one just looks a lot more shiny. I guess they're about the same. 2 blue, 4 purple, 2 purple rainbows, 2 regular purple. Cool. Nice little box. Thanks for the suggestion. And be on the lookout for my Series 2 baseball if you're into that. Otherwise, let me know in the comments what you thought of this product and what you think I should get for next week. And I keep bumping my camera, I'm sorry.